Welcome to Tech Help Guy, and today I'm going to show you how to use filters on Snapchat. Okay, let's get started. First, open your Snapchat application. So in here, you can see there are filters ready. If you something that you like, just go ahead and tap to take a photo or hold to take a video. It will do its magic. But if you already saw all of this, but you still don't want the filters, just go on the upper left button. You can see the search icon and click search. Search whatever filters you want. I'm gonna try searching for whatever, like for example, this black and white. So as you can see, it's black and white already. I just need to click favorite if I like it. So as you can see, it's already saved to my favorites, and I could click photo if I want that. And X, I could save it or send it to some friends if I wanna exit. Or you can go back again and search for whatever you like. So yeah, basically that is all. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more quick tips and tutorials. Bye!